Join your palm, close your eyes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Slowly open your eyes, dears. In the last session, what we learned? What we learned? We learned Swar and Vyanjan. Yes, we recap the. Yes, in the uh, Swar and Vyanjan we learn. We recap this. I hope all my children are practiced at home. Did you all practice? Yes. Kindly reply in the chat box. Yes, very good, Minachi. Very good, Nandana. What about others? Very good, Satvika. Yes, dears, I want all my children practice at home, okay? So first in today's class, first we are going to learn matras. Already I hope all my children know the matras. Yes, we are going to recap, okay? And then I'm going to recap for the revision. I'm going to give the revision for the exam. Yes, you have exam, you have assessment, right, dears? In the next week, so I'm going to recap those lessons, okay? So first we are going to learn matras. So I want all my children take your notebooks and pencil. The last section in which notebook you wrote, in that notebook I want all my children to continue. Yes, write today's date. Subramani 8875. Who is that, dear? Mute your mic. Turn, you have to start the next page, a fresh page, okay? Next page, don't continue from the next line, you have to start in the next page, okay? Write today's date. Write today's date 10 2. I want all my children mute your mic, Anna. Mute your mic and write heading Matra. Side write heading Matra. Mute your mic. Mute your mic, dear. I hope all my children are open your notebooks. Put today's date and heading. So, what is the first letter in Swar? A. What is this? A. We have matra for A. Type in the chat box. We have matra for A. We have no. So, as it is, okay? Nothing will be. Yes, very good, Kana. Just put a sleeping line. That's all. Okay, no matra for A. I want all my children write along with me, okay? A. 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 The next letter. Next letter. You have to write in the next line, okay? So, how we will write A ki matra? One standing line. This is A ki matra, right? A ki matra. One standing line. A ki matra. Say and write, dears. You have to write inside the line. The letters should not come outside the line, okay? Write neatly, dears. And say and write. And the next letter, choti E, right? Next letter, choti He. So there's a curve. Come on the left hand side. Choti E ki matra. Choti E ki matra. Say and write. छोटी ई की मात्रा। छोटी ई की मात्रा। Next, what is the next letter? Body E, right? Body E. So, which side will come? Right hand side or left hand side? Right hand side, right? This is body E की मात्रा. Body E की मात्रा. Say and write. Body E की मात्रा. Now it finished here. What is the next letter? What is the next letter? Choti U, right? Choti U. छोटी ऊ की मात्रा. How we write छोटी ऊ की मात्रा? How we write छोटी ऊ की मात्रा? A curve which face upward, right? छोटी ऊ की मात्रा. छोटी ऊ. Write, dears. I want all my children say and write. This is finished, dears. छोटी ऊ की मात्रा. Finished? If you are finished, say yes in the chat box. Very good. No, okay, okay, will wait. Say and write. E, U. Is finished? Mahanidhi finished, dear? Did you all wrote this, Kanna? Mahanidhi? Okay, write, dear. First write. Okay. Yes, Kanave. Okay. So what is the next letter? So what is the next letter? छोटी ऊ के बाद कौन सा अक्षर आएगा? Body U. You have to continue in the next line, okay? छोटी, sorry, body U, right? This is body U. Okay. Yes. Write the next line, dear. Body U की मात्रा, body U अक्षर next line में लिखो. This is body U की मात्रा. A curve which faces downward. Body U की मात्रा. U, U. Next letter, Re. Next letter, Re. Re की मात्रा कैसे लिखोगे? C at the bottom. Re की मात्रा. Re, Re की मात्रा. Say and write dears. Re, Re की मात्रा. Re, Re की मात्रा.
Finished, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Okay, what is the next letter? E, U,
Ma'am,
Re,
I am
A.
finished. Ma'am, I am finished, ma'am.
A. A. So how we will write A की मात्रा? One balloon on the top. Yes. A. A की मात्रा. A. A की मात्रा. Say and write, dear. Say and write. A. A की मात्रा.
Ma'am, finished. Ma'am, finished.
Okay. If you finish, we will wait for your friends. Okay. A. A की मात्रा. Next. I. I में कितने बैलून्स आएंगे? दो. यस, एक, दो बैलून्स. I की मात्रा. 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 After I, what letter will come? O, right? O. So how we will write O की मात्रा? One standing line and one balloon on the standing line, right? Au की मात्रा. Au की मात्रा. Say and write, dears. Say and write. Au की मात्रा. Sorry, O की मात्रा. See, O की मात्रा. Yes, O की मात्रा. This is. Now we are going to write au की मात्रा. Yes, now we are going to write au की मात्रा. This is O. O की मात्रा. Say and write. Now we are going to write au. Au की मात्रा. औरत. au की मात्रा. O के लिए. Next one. की मात्रा. One बिंदु on the top. The last aha, right? दो बिंदु on the right hand side. This is aha की मात्रा, right dears? This is body. U की मात्रा. री की मात्रा, ए की मात्रा, आई की मात्रा, ओ की मात्रा, औ की मात्रा, अंग की मात्रा, आहा की मात्रा. Yes? If you are finished, kindly yes in the chat box. I will give a time. I want all my children say and write in your notebook, dears.
Finished, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
Ma'am, I am finished. Ma'am, I am finished.
Okay.
I'm finished, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
Ma'am, I am finished. Ma'am, I am finished, ma'am.
Okay. I hope all my children are finished. Matras? Yes?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going to recap one more time all the matras. Just listen, dears. You no need to write anything now. Okay? First, what we wrote? Right? So we don't have any matra, right? So next letter yes, next letter so one standing line, right, dears? Next E, choti E. A curve on the left hand side. Now body E on right hand side. I want all my children look here. No need to write. O, body O, three, a C on the bottom, A, one balloon on the top, I, two balloon on the top, O, standing line and balloon, O, standing line and two balloons. Okay, dear? See, if you thorough this mantras, it is easy. Okay, see here. If you have to write, see, if you are, now I'm going to take ka letter. Ka. Okay, just you have to write. See, ka. You don't have matra, so ka. So here, ka. Here, ki. Here, ki. This is ku. Ku. Trick. K. Kai. Ko. Cow. Yes. So that's why always I used to tell you should thorough the letters, vyanjan, swar and matras. If you thorough these three things, it is easy to learn Hindi. Okay? You have to practice. I hope all my children will do. Okay, clearly I will explain in the next class. Okay, in the next week. Okay, dears. Now we are going to recap now we are going to do the revision for the assessment. Okay. Natkhat Ladka. Yes, in Natkhat Ladka we have Abhyas sheet, right? We have Abhyas sheet. Now we are going to do one more time. Okay. Just you have to read the simple words. What is a Natkhat Ladka? What is the story? Who is the story? What is the boy name? नटखट लड़का means लड़का का नाम. Yes, naughty boy. Yes, dear. What is the story? Who is the character? Yes, Somu. Yes, Somu. Yes, dear. Very good. Somu. Somu wants to go to school every day. See, listen. Yes, no. Serious? In Natkhat Ladka, what happened? Somu doesn't want to school every day. He always wants to play. So in that village, there are lots of monkeys. There are more number of monkeys. Somu used to play with that monkeys. So what happened next? So one day Somu went to the school. You know what happened? One of the monkey also went to the school with the Somu. Yes, so near the school, Somu monkey saw a beautiful garden. What garden? What is the name of that garden? कौन सा garden देखा? कौन सा garden देखा? Mango garden. Yes, bag. I want answer in the chat box करना. Don't unmute dear. It will disturb the class. Okay? भाग देखा. Yes. So भाग को हम दूसरे आमराई भी कह सकते हैं. Yes, we can also say amrai. Yes. So what happened? Both Somu and a monkey started playing in the mango garden. भाग में वो खेलने लगे. So Somu became tired. So what Somu did? He became tired. What happened next? What Somu did? He felt very tired. Yes, he slept under the tree, right? So gaya, late gaya. Who disturbed the Somu? Makhi. Yes, very good. So monkey was trying to run away that housefly. Yes, he is going to do, but that Makhi, the housefly, is coming in again, and he was disturbing the Somu. So what monkey did? Monkey got an angry. What बंदर did? monkey को इंडियन में क्या बोलते हैं? बंदर. बंदर ने क्या किया? Yes. What he did? Monkey took the stone and he threw on the face of the Somu. Yes. So what happened? Housefly flew away. But who got hurt? Somu got hurt. तो उसे खून निकलने लगा. खून माने क्या है? ब्लड को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? खून. यस, ब्लड को हिंदी में खून कहते हैं. ठीक है डियर्स. So now shall we do the abhyas? Yes. So I am reading slowly. You have to read along with me, okay? Along with me, dears. Without unmuting, you have to repeat, okay? Yes. विलोम शब्द. क्या है ये? विलोम शब्द. विलोम शब्द means opposite words. विलोम. See here. विलोम शब्द. Practice. Repeat after me. विलोम. विलोम शब्द. विलोम शब्द माने क्या है? Opposite words. Okay. What is the first one? ब से बस. हा में छोटी ओ की मात्रा हूँ. बहुत. बहुत माने क्या है? More. There's a more monkeys in that village. Lived in that village, right? बहुत माने more. See here, your spelling mistake dear. Come. Okay. Come. Come. Okay, this is wrong. Okay. Come. Come माने less. What is the opposite for more? What is the opposite for more? Less. Less को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? कम. Less को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? कम. बहुत कम. Repeat after me. बहुत कम, बहुत कम. दूसरा क्या है? च द ना, चढ़ना. चढ़ना माने क्या है? क्लाइंबिंग अप. ओके, चढ़ना मीन्स क्या है? क्लाइंबिंग अप. Climb up. Okay, what is the opposite for climbing up dear? If we are, yes, we are climbing up the stairs. So what is the opposite? Yes, getting down. Utarna. Utarna means getting down. Chadna. Utarna. Utarna means coming down, getting down. Chadna. Utarna. Chadna means climbing up. Uttarna means getting down. What is the next one? Dost. Dost माने क्या है? Friend. Do, this is of sir. Okay, sir. दोस्त माने क्या है? Friend. Friend का opposite क्या है? Enemy. Enemy को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? दुश्मन. दुश्मन. This is sh. दुश्मन. अगला शब्द क्या है? हमेशा. हमेशा. हमेशा means always. Somu always wants to play, right? कभी कभी. Sometimes. Sometimes. कभी कभी means sometimes. Okay, shall we do one more time? Repeat after me, dears. बहुत बहुत कम. चढ़ना उतरना. दोस्त दुश्मन. हमेशा कभी कभी. Yes. Next. Yes, fill in the blanks. खाली जगह. खाली जगह भरिए. Yes, yes, खाली जगह भरिए. Okay. So what is the first one? Shall we read? लड़के का नाम डैश था. लड़के का नाम क्या था? Shall we see here options? Amrai? No. Yes, Somu. Here Somu is there. So you have to write. Yes, very good. You have to write Somu. Okay? Somu. गांव में बंदर डैश थे. Yes. Water. बहुत सारे बस. So you have to write बहुत.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Second one.
गांव में बंदर डैश थे. गांव में बंदर बहुत सारे थे. राइट? More monkeys are lived in that village. Right? बहुत. What is the next one? Yes. स्कूल के रास्ते में एक अमराई. Have to write अमराई. अमराई means mango garden. Next. मक्खी आकर सोमू के डैश पर बैठी. Where housefly came and sat on the face of the Somu. Where? Naak. Naak money? Nose. Naak. Yes. See, you have to able to read a little bit sentence. Yes, okay, dears. मक्खी आकर सोमू की डैश पर बैठी. The next one. सही और गलत. Okay? सही और गलत. If it is सही, you have to draw right. If you're galat, you have to put cross. Okay, galat mane false. Okay. सोमू गांव के स्कूल में रोज yes dear
Right, wrong.
no you have to read the sentence. Please concentration on the pronunciation of the letters dears. Okay, I know all my children know the story, but you have to be able to read little bit. Yes Tanna, very good, you're giving answers very good. सोमू गांव के स्कूल में रोज बराबर नहीं जाता था. यस सही. सोमू गांव के स्कूल में रोज बराबर नहीं जाता था. सोमू को लिखना पढ़ना बहुत पसंद था. सोमू लाइक्स टू रीड एंड राइट. नो, सोमू लाइक्स ओनली टू प्ले. बंदर को मक्खी पर गुस्सा नहीं आया. दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. बंदर को गुस्सा आया. यस, monkey got an angry, right? So it's गलत. सोमू की नाक पर बड़ी चोट आई. Yes, he got hurt on the nose, right? Sahi. Yes, dears. So I want all my children write the assessment by yourself without taking helping from your parents. I hope all my children will do, dears. And the next one is अनुवाद. Yes, अनुवाद माने क्या है? I want to answer in the chat box. अनुवाद माने क्या है? अनुवाद माने क्या है? Yes. We have to translate in English. Okay, ma'am is giving. If there is an Hindi sentence, you have to translate in English. Okay, in exam. Okay, dear. It is the question will be what? For example, radius. See, in exam, it will be like that. Okay, Gopal गांव में रहता था. Okay, there will be a Gopal lived in the dash. We have to write one word in English. Okay, it is not. You have to write fully in English. The sentence you have to write fully in sentence. Only one word. Okay, so you should know the meaning of all the words. Okay, dears. So now I'm going to recap. Okay. And for project work, we have to draw a house and color it. Okay, this is a project. Someone asked in the chat box, घर का चित्र बनाइए और रंग भरिए. We have to draw a house and color it. Okay, dears.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now we are going to see the rail yatra. Rail yatra means what? Rail yatra means what? Rail yatra means what? It's a train journey, right? Train journey. Yes, very good, yes. Yes, rail yatra means train journey. गोपाल गांव में रहता था. So Gopal lived in the village. Okay, Gopal lived in the village. Okay, maybe in exam it will be village will not come. Instead of village, there is a blank for you. So you have to fill that blank. Okay, Gopal lived in the village. You have to fill. Okay, I'm giving only example. Okay, dears, you need not to worry that you have to write fully in English. Of will be given and of one word you have to complete that sentence. Okay, but the meaning will be here only. In Hindi it will be there. Okay, dears. So Gopal. So गोपाल गांव में रहता था. गोपाल लिव इन अ विलेज. एक बार वह अपने पिता के साथ भाई के पास दिल्ली गया. So once he wanted to go to Delhi to meet his brother. With whom he went to Delhi? Pita. Yes, Pita means father. He went to Delhi to meet his brother with his father. Okay. So next what happened? गोपाल के पिता टिकट घर से टिकट खरीद लाए. So what happened here? So they want to go to Delhi. So how they went? They went through the train. Yes. So both Gopal and his father went to the station, railway station, and they buy the ticket. Okay, from where they buy the ticket? From ticket gar. Ticket gar means ticket counter. There will be a ticket counter. If you want to buy the ticket, you have to go there. So Gopal ke pita. So Gopal's father went to the ticket counter and they buy the ticket to travel in train to Delhi. So what happened next? गोपाल और उसके पिता ट्रेन के एक डिब्बे में जाकर बैठ गए. So what happened? The train came. After train came both Gopal and उसके पिता means his father enter into the one of the compartment. There is a lots of compartment in the train. Yes. So एक डिब्बे, one compartment, and they में जाकर बैठ गए. They sat on their seats. So next, what's the next sentence? गोपाल ने पिता से पूछा, हम दिल्ली कब पहुंचेंगे? So while both Gopal and his father sat on the seats, Gopal asked his father, at what time we will reach Delhi? Okay, गोपाल ने पिता से पूछा means ask. हम means we. दिल्ली कब पहुंचेंगे? When we will reach Delhi? So विजयवाड़ा, next sentence, विजयवाड़ा का स्टेशन, रेलवे स्टेशन बड़ा है और रात को सुंदर दिखता है. The railway station of Vijayawada is very big and it looks very beautiful at the night because they were decorated with the lights. So it looks very beautiful at night. रात को सुंदर दिखता है. रात means night, सुंदर means beautiful. Next sentence, गोपाल सो गया. जब उठा तो उसके पिता उसके खाने के लिए सामान लाए. So Gopal slept. Okay, after he woke up, his father went to the food compartment and he buy some food for Gopal. So when the station reached, गाड़ी इटारसी पहुंचने पर गोपाल ने बड़े-बड़े जंगल देखे. अब खुश हो गया. When the station reached Itarasi junction, so he saw a big forest. So he became after seeing that forest, he became very happy. Who became happy? Gopal. What he saw? A bada jungle, a big forest. Yes. So what is the next sentence? दूसरे दिन गाड़ी 10 बजे दिल्ली पहुंची. So what happened? And then on the next day, the train reached at 10 o'clock. Okay, where? Which place? Delhi. Yes. So it reached the station, but from the station they have to go to his brother house, right? गोपाल और उसके पिता कार से राम के घर पहुंच गए. So what happened? By the railway station to his brother house, they traveled in the car and they reached the brother's house. Okay, they became very happy. Both are started playing, both Gopal and Ram. Who is Ram? Gopal's brother. Yes, dears. Yes. So I want all my children practice at home. Read the simple words and sentences. Okay, and write the assessment well. Okay, dears. So now you turn on your video and say bye to your friends and practice the letters and matras. In the next class, we are going to learn words. Okay, dears.